Yeah, take a break, man.
If I was you, I would like, comment, subscribe on this.
All right. So I need a couple more 3.5-inch pieces. I guess I need to trim down these boards. Maybe if I cut one of them, it'll be enough to get me through the rest, but I doubt it. Use my square and try to draw a nice line on this. Plan on using it for the top. We'll check inside real quick. Maybe I should use these up. A little skinny. Should be like at least that quarter. I think that's half-inch. I'll just check real quick. This one. Alright, try these out. Basically the same piece I got out there, but just grab a couple more. Whoa. Come on. Oof. All right. Okay. All right, let's get tool back up. It's been a hot summer, man. Golly. Sheesh. Non-stop with the heatage. Okay. See if I get a nice line on this. 3.5. 3. Oops. And yeah, okay, it's not to cut this twice. Kind of stinks. Okay. See how good of a cutter I am. That went pretty good. Come on, that blade is cutting so bad. Must have been chopping up something nasty when I was doing that before. Let's go 47. Show you two 47s. Let's see how this one comes out first. Oh, I must have cut through a couple of nails, man. Thing's kind of rough right now. All right, where'd I put that gunny? How many more bullets I got left in here? Nice. Very nice. Cool. All right. Try to cut this little sliver off. That might be a little tough. I have the technology though. I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe. I think I believe. A little sliver. A little slizzy diz. Oh, see the light blinking. That must mean the battery's low. Maybe that's why it's cutting like crap. Should we go for it? Let's go for it. Alright, swap this out. Full battery, let's go. Let's see if this thing comes back to life. Or if it cuts exactly the same. Pretty sure that number was 87, right? Nope, 83. Must have been 83 and 47.